Well, I've been having issues with the TBI system on top of the Volvo Penta 4.3 GI. We worked out that the injector was not firing correctly over 2000 RPM, so we disconnected the harness plug and swapped them from one side to the other, and the problem followed the wire harness. After further testing, we discovered that we have a faulty ECU. As parts are hard to obtain for this engine in New Zealand because of its age and the fact they don't want to know about petrol engines, we're changing this unit to a carburettor. When you have removed the TBI unit on the Volvo Penta, you will find that the adapter plate here can be removed, and you can replace it with either a 2-barrel Holly or a 4-barrel Holly. The 4-barrel will bolt straight on without the need of an adapter plate. I'm going to be fitting a 2-barrel Holly with adapter plate. As you can see, we've just installed the adapter plate. If you wish, you can probably use your original TBI plate to make an adapter, but I managed to pick this one up second hand off a earlier Volvo. It bolts straight on, no problems. Here we are, we have the second hand Holly carburettor installed. Only costs $300. I've still got to tidy up the wiring and fuel line, but this will give you an idea of how simple it actually is. I've left all the TBI wiring harness just sitting there for now, just in case I can find the right bits and reinstall it. But here we go, we'll start the engine and see what happens for the first time. Okay, here we go, engine startup. Can't get any simpler than that for the first flick of a key. I have wired the choke back, and I'm just using the priming system. A couple of primes on the accelerator, and that's good enough. Alright, that's it, simple as that. Hope it helps somebody. Catch it. Finally, the finished article. You may know noticed from my earlier video that I have actually turned the carburettor around. This is because the throttle linkages off the TBI were all on the left hand side of the engine. Turning the carb around just made it that much easier. It just went straight on, no altering. Okay, I'll get somebody to start the engine now. This is our first lake test.
Start her up.
So there you have it. It's all running nice and smooth. Easy startup, no issues. And we'll now go put it into gear. So the one thing I have noticed, you can get the motor to run slower with the carburettor than you ever could with the TBI unit, which makes it a lot better for trout fishing or trolling. Here we go, this is now going to be a full throttle run. Let's see how it gets up and goes on the plane.